Good morning, Mike. So this is where the little redfoots are. This is a cricket tub. It's 26 inches by a little over 48 inches. They're irregularly shaped. I didn't measure this exact one. So I cut a door in each end. You see the one at the other end. I'm waiting on some plastic hinges to affix the door here and here. The pieces are sitting here. And I found with the other redfoots, just one tube is better than two. They don't like that much brightness, although you guys are out in full sun part of the day. And then I use a large restaurant tray for a water dish because it's shallow and easy to step into and step out of. And a smaller restaurant tray for the food. And these guys, I'm using orchid bark. I seem to have misplaced bulkhead fittings, so right now the orchid bark's a little on the dry side, so this tub doesn't drain. You can see, like on this tub, there's a bulkhead fitting up underneath there. That's a vision cage with some Manoria tortoises in it. So anyways, back to the redfoots. I put them in here yesterday. I was waiting on those hinges to complete this, but you asked for a video or a picture, so here we are. Oh, they're doing okay. I have to see this wood beam across the top there. That's because I cut the edge off these tubs so I can get 4 of them on a little over 8-foot span of Home Depot style shelving. And then I put the wood rim on the inside, and then I can attach screw eyes and whatnot to it to better use it. Anyways, along this beam, I'll cut lengths of grass about 2 feet long, bundle them at the base, and then hang them upside down here. So this whole side will have hides. I did a similar thing in this cage here. You can see for, where is she? There she is, the spider tortoise. And that works pretty good. A lot of times they'll just sit underneath there and they're pretty happy feeling hidden. They like the sensation of something on their back. I've been putting a little organic moistened cat food in with the redfoot diets on the other group. So I'm trying it with these guys, and they're pretty good at spotting those and picking them out. But they eat all the food. I'll walk around the other side. We'll look at the diet closer. Here's some mixed. So that's escarole, mustard, romaine, red kale, black kale, and regular kale, a little arugula, some grated sweet potato, and some grated zucchini type squash, or green, long skinny squash. There's a gray one they call Mexican squash. I'm not sure why. That guy's picking out the cat food. So they're all hanging out, doing pretty good. I had them in groups of 3, well, 2 groups of 3 and 1 group of 4 in smaller tubs. They're doing okay because, like I set those smaller tubs inside the heated vision cages, like these here. Maybe I'm going too fast. Anyways. This is the setup for them. They'll probably be good in here up until they're all maybe in the 4.5 to 6 inch range. I already have people interested in buying some, but I want to keep them here and see some growth on them before I sell any. Then I'm just transitioning from sort of in the wild at your place to someone else's new home. I don't know them as a group or individuals and how they behave, and I don't like not having answers for people when they ask, have you kept them? So anyways, I'll talk with you more later. That turned out to be a longer video than I thought.